Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to show you how I attach my legs to benches and tables. I start off by drilling a hole in the steel plates, and then I use a step-up bit like the one shown here to expand the hole. It's extremely important to allow wood to move on these projects, so make sure you expand that hole double or triple the size of the fastener that you're going to use. That way when the wood wants to move, it can move freely. You don't have to worry about it pulling itself apart. Next, I carefully mark the center point of each hole. Take a little time doing this because threaded inserts can be a little bit tricky to keep everything nice and perfectly aligned with your steel holes. And then you'll see me using a little bit of painter's tape here. It's a quick and easy way to mark your depth when you're drilling holes. You don't want to drill through your project after you've put in all that hard work. So it's a kind of a quick and easy little trick to use. I also recommend that you use a brad point drill bit for drilling your holes. A regular auger bit can kind of wander on you a little bit, and the brad point just helps you stay directly on that center point so your threaded inserts go exactly where you intended them to. Finally, it's time to install the threaded inserts. Today I used a little bit of wood glue to help hold the fasteners in place. Epoxy actually works better, I just didn't have any at the time. Our last step in installing the legs are to simply take a flat washer and a bolt and thread everything tight. I recommend that you start off by just hand tightening all the bolts, and then you can adjust the leg. In this case, I wanted it to be completely flush with the edge of the bench that I've been working on. So I'll adjust it so that it's flush with the edge, and then I'll come back with the actual ratchet and tighten everything down. It's important that you don't over tighten here because you can rip those threaded inserts right out of the wood if you do so, so just snug everything up.